I'm going to show you the Ayaneo Air. This is the box, and this is what's inside the box. So this time, the Ayaneo Air, they bring a ultra-thin gaming handheld product to the market, and this time we have the Ayaneo B.Duck Special Edition, and this time the Ayaneo teamed up with B.Duck, a special and very famous IP in the world, to bring the co-branded models to the gamers, and also they hope to bring a playful gaming experience for their fans. So this time, let's check what's inside this box, and let's talk on the specification and review on these products. So this is the stuff inside this box. Besides the gaming handheld itself, we will get two USB to Type-C adapter, and okay, this is a standard version. So we have the charger, the special and customized 15 watt, 15 watt charger, and also here is the cable. So this is a Type-C. Yes, here is the Type-C to Type-C cable in this small box. Okay, so this is the main accessories inside this box, and then let's go to the handheld. So this is handheld. As we can see, compared to the normal version, we checked and we find. So this edition is have a pure yellow color, and they integrated with the B.Duck element of the IP B.Duck, and the VI color of the B.Duck is yellow. So this time they have the attractive color, yellow color. And about this handheld, this is the world's first and thin and light OLED Windows handheld. Compare is really a bit similar to the Switch Lite, and you can put this into your pocket. And also, if you play it for a long time, you will not feel tired. So this is it's a very thin and style product for the custom gaming product lovers. Yes, and for this one, it have a AMD Ryzen 5560U processor. It's a 7-nanometer producing technology processor, and also it have a very high speed. It support high speed M.2 to 80 and SSD, and this time they have a 5.5 inch 1080 OLED screen, and it have a 109% NTSC, and also it support 100 sRGB, and also support DCI-P3 colors, and also have a PPI 404. Yes, it is one of the best screen that's used in the gaming handheld. So this is very nicely for us to play games, and also it's our built-in 7350 mAh big battery, support access motors, and support Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6. And also we can find here is our 6.5mm headphone jack kit, and 2 Type-C port is also supported. Here is a TF card, expandable TF card, and this time the RAM and ROM about this device is 8 plus 512 RAM and ROM. It support LPDDR4X. Also, we can get expandable ROM through the TF extended card. So this is very nice for us if you want to play a lot of games, and you can store it in your card, TF card. And also this time for this model, it support the Windows OS, Steam OS, and the Ayaneo Home OS. Is this OS is based from the Linux. It's open source OS. So, and this time the Ayaneo OS, they do deeply customized functions, and they will have the customized UI and interface, and different lot of optimizations on this part. And also this time Ayaneo provides the standard, air, and light, and pro, so three different specifications for us to choose compared to the Pro edition. This one is only have 398 grams, but the Pro one have 450, so it's more light than the normal. So the Pro edition, this is pretty good for the gaming lovers. And also when we look the front side of this device, it's our here is the joysticks, and also this part. This part is support ambient light when we turn on the device. This part is support LED light as well, and also the small it supports small hover triggers, no dead zones, so high precision. It's very nice to play games when you use these buttons. And also here, besides the normal RB, RT, and FT, LB buttons, here 1, 2, this part, the 3 dots, we can find the 3 dots. Here is this part is the special LC buttons. You can customize through these buttons, so it's very useful and convenient for gamers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this part have 6 buttons, and also here is this power button is also integrated with the fingerprint functions into the buttons, 2-in-1 buttons. It's very nice, yes. It's very nice. And as just checked backside, here is the big joints for the active cooling air inlet. So the air will go inside to the machine through this, and here is the active cooling air outlet. Air from this and from this go from here and then out from here to bring the temperature from the device, so it will cooling the device. So this is very cool. Yes, this one, they equipped with a high pressure tempo cooling fan in a limited space, and with a cooling to reduce the noise, air cooling it can reduce the noise. And also whether it is an Handheld game or 3A title game, players can feel the controlling of the temperature. So this is really convenient. So air to take into the account the thickness of these devices. This device is not light. It's not only light, but it's also very light. Then the thing, for the air, the thinnest place is only 18 mm. So you can imagine how thin this one is. You can really put it into your pocket. So this is it's really cool for this device. And also here, I mentioned the screen is have a 175 ultra wide view angle with immersive gaming horizon. So it's good for this is another part, and good for the gaming experience. And also for the joysticks, there's no dead zone for the joysticks. As I mentioned, its inner and outer circles are 100 free of dead zones. Joysticks are sensitive adjustment. And also the zero power standby function. The control function can be turned off from the hardware, which can save more power. The trigger sensitive adjustment is also good, and the motor vibration intensity adjustment is also supported. And also, as we can see, the ABXY key value swap, regardless of the American layout of the Japanese layout, players can freely choose the most convenient operations method for themselves. Yes, it's another cool part. And I'm going to focus and highlight the small hole joysticks on this Windows gaming handheld. Is this part? Yes, it's with excellent structural design. The small hole electromagnetic rocker is embedded with actual symbol of the Ayaneo. This is the world's first small hole joystick on the Windows gaming handheld. Yes, so this is another features on this part. It's no drift, no dead zone, high precision, long lifespan, replaceable joystick. We can also change this part if you prefer to other material or other colors. So this is good for this part. And also the breaking and exclusive gaming management software Airspace. So just like other brands, this time the Ayaneo, they bring players a more beautiful UI. As I mentioned, is open source Linux based OS and the UI and the interface. So this is very cool. And also for the OS is operating system game with handheld. So this is very, very good. And you can experience this part when you check this for when you got it. So this is very, very nice. And also the Ayaneo custom buttons is here. Can find here is it's back to desk or custom 13 buttons as well here. And also we can find a lot of other customized part here as well. LC left control, right controls. So these are support customized functions for this game handheld. And besides the processor, the joystick, the RAM and ROM, the temperature, the cooling fan, and also the last thing I think I will mention is that it's have left and right stereo speakers. It supports stereo sound and focus on details of the sound. So this is not only good for play games and control games, and also will not delay. You can also got very, very nice gaming experience through the sound part. So this is the main features of this part. Also for the batteries can support 28 to 38 hours with the 7350 big batteries. Yes. Okay, so yes, lots of parts and specifications were mentioned in this video. Please make a comment and let us know your decision. Do you like this one? Yes, let me know it. Thanks. Bye bye.